swim.
But I know now I would do it all again in a heartbeat.
Thank you.
Take those fragile
You win some, you lose some, right?
and tears and put them on me. Oh, I must admit, when I think of how far we've come, it was worth the risk, 'cause it dug us a deeper love. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years.
Ideally.
Probably a stupid question, but I ask everywhere because I'm just afraid of alligators. There's no alligators.
No, there are water moccasins though, so.
Yeah, watch out for snakes that come up to you in the water. Don't pet them. Should be good. Don't pet the snakes. I think that pretty much goes for everywhere, actually, right? That's like the rule everywhere.
Yeah,
don't pet the snakes.
There were alligators in this, I would not be getting it.
Yeah, I told him that already.
That's
anyway.
more East Texas.
Just so you know, if there's an alligator anywhere there, I'm not getting in.
I don't know that there's like a good place to tie up around here, so.
Water moccasins aren't like.
You're going in this first, right?
I think so.
Okay.
People usually.
I'm gonna just toss it in.
Okay.
Then I'll have you come down here and get in. Ideally not drop the paddle in the water. If you wanna.
Your snakes, so.
I don't think.
That's not usually what I like to do.
The banks here.
Just keep your center of gravity low. These are extremely stable.
Should I try to grab the paddle and
I mean,
move it first or get in and
I just get in and then pull the paddle. There you go.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You guys need any help with those? Sweetie?
It'll be okay.
Got it. I'm gonna get this because I don't want to jump on that paddle. I don't want to jump on the $500 paddle. Oh, it feels so good. I was getting hot. I definitely do not need the thigh straps, I can tell you that much. Yeah? I don't think they will, but you could probably put them in there like they're tying down their regular counterparts. You put them into that little slotted keyhole thing and then turn them sideways to lock them.
Yeah, we might want to do that just because I'm worried they're going to catch on something.
Garbage in the river, man. Yeah, I gotta say it'd be pretty rad to have a house on this and have like a place to put a boat in all the time. If I lived right there where that guy's got that thing, I would have a rowing shell.
You'd be in here every day.
I'd have a rowing shell. I'd go out and row every morning. That'd be awesome.
I've almost done it a time or two. You gotta share it, right?
Pretty. It's definitely not Oregon River, is it?
It's not as cold as I thought it was going to be.
No, it's a lot warmer than I expected.
A lot warmer than I thought. Is there like a turtle or something up on that?
Possible. It looks like a rock on top of a rock, but I guess.
No, it looks like a turtle on top of a rock. I feel like I see a little head.
Yeah, I think I do see a head.
It's like he's up there sunbathing. That's a turtle, Eric.
That is definitely a turtle.
So cute.
That's a big turtle, man.
Scare him.
I'm not going to scare him, at least not on purpose.
There's a turtle up here.
Yeah. It is on. I'm not even 100% sure that thing's real, man. I don't know. I think somebody's doing some decor, maybe. Let's see. Oh, I saw his head move. Hey, buddy. Hey. How you doing there? Boy, you have sure got pretty skin. You do.
Boy, he doesn't get scared either. Usually they jump in the water.
Look at his shell, though. It looks just like a rock. It's cool.
I love turtles.
Well, this is definitely a good way to go. This is fun. Nothing crazy, but fun.
Nice and chill.
Chill, for sure. The water's a lot warmer than I expected.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is what you have had in the past, temperature-wise.
I was actually gone in here.
Oh, really? Well, I'm glad we can help you out.
Yeah, we've been here a little over a year.
We just don't have our own stuff yet.
Right, right.
Plus we've had so many projects going on at our house. Usually that's what our weekend consists of.
We're gonna have to walk back up here though if we want to get back to the car. This is the only path right here for a kayak. It's totally flat and safe. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. You got it. Piece of cake. You can just pull into the left or right, whichever. It's okay. It won't hurt anything. You guys are good to go. Just come on straight down the middle. There you go. Maybe. Probably. Might be better to step over and then get on. You can definitely make it once you get to the other side of that low head dam. You just can't. You can definitely get back on now. There you go. Perfect. Now, if you hit something, lean towards it. Towards it? Okay. Theoretically, again.
I think I can do it in the kayak.
Maybe we should switch boats.
Well, that's the thing that's crazy about this area is it's so old. Like,
Yeah.
it's pre-American Revolution.
Right. Right. Yeah.
We've been to
The
Costco.
Spanish were here long before, you know.
Those deer have been here for generations.
Right?
Generations of deer eating the garden in the backyard of this house.
Yeah, they ate my freaking peach trees.
Yeah, those things, man. They're a menace. That house is legit. Like, that is no joke. Plantation style over there. Yeah, there's a bunch of sticks here, and they're just hanging out on them. Hey, buddies.
Hi guys! What you guys doing?
I love their coloring. They're like yellow and dark green, and they're such cool coloring. We're just here to take a gander at you because you're so cool looking. See his little mouth sticking up? And he's like, I'm gone.
Like I'm going under.
You people are looking too much at me.
That's too much for me. There he goes. You can tell the one that's been sucking himself for quite some time is dry.
Yeah, exactly.
He's like kind of a tan color, the others are kind of green color.
Yeah, rope swing. If anybody's into it. What, hon? Oh, I'm not going to do a rope swing. I always get hurt on those things.
You always find the one log or the one rock.
I always find something to get hurt on trying that garbage.
So you know this is where the original Schlitterbahn is, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
Schlitterbahn, the water park, is in New Braunfels. It's the original one, the biggest of them.
So, what do you think of that thing?
It's cool.
It turns fast.
It turns fast. It's harder to row.
Yeah, it's harder to keep straight, right?
For sure.
Yeah, I mean, maybe after the little Lowhead Dam up here, we can switch back just so you're not struggling. Not that you're struggling, but you know, it's definitely a lot slower boat. And so is hers. I mean, any inflatable kayak. These are up at 15 psi, so they're almost like a hard shell. Crazy, man. That is something. Paddle trail here. There's a lot more current here than it looks like there is, and yeah, we're gonna have to walk it for sure. You want me to give you a boost, or you got it? Cut to the right, and you'll have an easier time than going to the left. Go to the right where my boat is. You'll have an easier time getting up there. You're gonna swim. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, thank you. That's a bit lucky.
You win some, you lose some, right? Go ahead and stand up, hon. It's not very deep. Oh. Boy, that water is really pushing that thing.
Well, I thought I'd try, but I didn't make it. Oh, you are super cool, man.
He is cool. He knows it.
Okay, hold on to this. I gotta get my shoe on.
Hold on. Let me flip this thing back over. I gotta tell you, those,
ouch!
this thing completely filled with water.
Oh,
Made it really, really hard for me to tip it back over.
Yeah, that didn't work.
Soaking up a ton of water. Hey, buddy.
Sorry to interfere with you, buddy. Okay. Let's go around this way.
Yeah, I think that's a good call. You got the paddle?
Yeah, as long as there's no snakes through here. Well, I had plans
Hey, buddy.
on doing all wet, but got another plan.
Well, I'm really glad I was filming.
Did you film me falling out?
Totally.
Sure.
I mean, congratulations, honey. I think that's the first rapid you've swam in a long time that wasn't a class 3. She always swims class 3 rapids. That's her thing.